Fellow South Africans, it's time for change. In South Africa today, the justice system is fraught with problems. The NPA, the National Prosecuting Authority, is under-resourced, and cases take years to be concluded, and it's a fact that justice delayed is justice denied. ActionSA is committed to expansive reform of the legal system and to appropriately capacitate the prosecutors and courts by significantly increasing the NPA's budget and expanding court capacity. A central tenet of our approach is that we will allocate a fixed percentage of South Africa's annual budget to the prosecution of crime and corruption, rather than allowing our prosecution authorities to continue to be under-resourced through politically motivated budgets. We will spread the load currently being serviced by either magistrates or high courts by establishing specialized courts to deal with certain crimes, removing them from the overstrained systems. Our interventions will include enhanced coordination and cooperation between law enforcement agencies and prosecutors, which will streamline the criminal justice system. This will herald a return to the era where investigations were prosecutor-led with a high conviction rate. Corruption is endemic and has become the norm. We will establish a Chapter 9 anti-corruption unit to dismantle the mafias that have extended into every sphere of our society, while ensuring that our Chapter 9 institutions remain independent. We will establish a parliamentary standing committee on Chapter 9 institutions, giving them financial independence from the government to eliminate political interference. We will create a safer society by amending legislation to treat drug abuse as a disease and decriminalise sex work and cannabis usage while prosecuting those who profit from it. We will expand protection for whistleblowers and impose stringent and fit-for-purpose penalties on criminal offenders so that punishment is a deterrent to reduce crime, and we will limit the rights of criminals, making them repay their debt to society by working while serving their sentences. We will entrench the independence of the judiciary by limiting the political interference which has prevented the appointment of competent candidates with no regard for the needs of the country, by lobbying for an amendment of Section 178(1) of the Constitution, which determines the makeup of the Judicial Services Commission. But we cannot do this alone. Help us fix South Africa on 29 May. Help us restore hope for the millions in despair, desperate to believe again. Vote ActionSA. Thank you.